anibilanga kuyatshisa. Hi bandase, hi guys. Please don't mind that landuka ziqhiya bendizi-advertise guys, ingathi khona into ezayo, that's why nenze i-makeup. Bendisazikhumbuza if ndisakwazi na, but ke ndandiyifundele wethu. Qha ke i-makeup ifuna uba ubane uyenza oko. Yo, this is my OOTD guys. Ndibhekelise izinto ke, please don't mind ezi zinto zilapha phantsi. Yebo, sispeaker sam esi. Please don't mind ezi zinto zilapha phantsi beni-advertiser nezikhafu. Andisandakwazi nozibamba. Itheni na? Okay. Molweni guys, molweni. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, igama lam ndingu-Anathi Mqoqi, and if you are a returning subby, thank you so much for coming back. Please do follow me on my other social media platforms. I am Mrs. Mqoqi on Instagram. I am Anathi Sithinga Mqoqi on Facebook, and I am Mrs. Mqoqi on TikTok. So ngicela nindifollowishe kwezinye i-social media platform guys. Today is the 13th. Yeah, today is the 13th of January. Tomorrow is my husband's birthday. We do not have plans, but in the ubana siye out. Qha kaloku guys sazala thina, so anamntu ozoshiya nabantwana, and yazi I think ndiyayidinga i-helper. Yeah, ndiyayidinga guys i-helper. I think from February ndizawuqala ukhangela i-helper apha kuJanuary, so that ndizoba nomntu endizothi xa ndingekho banendishiyekela nabantwana ebanendilungiselela bona, because sometimes ndihamba ekuseni fumaniseka uba ngoku umyeni wam uba late emsebenzini because kumele aqale ebantwaneni. So yabandase ndinje ngoba nindibona ndinje because bendi-advertiser izinto zam. And Islam zam nizibonile? Let me show you. Jongani guys, ndizithenge yesterday. I bought them yesterday at Woolies. They were currently on special. They have especially a Woolies. I don't know about until when, but original prices is slang. It's $4.99. I got them for $2.99. Niyaboba nizamile usave. Do you still remember last year ngoDisemba ndizilinganisa ndisithi ndiyazifuna? Ndazinceda ke bandase. I didn't want to. Okay, I didn't know bazoba kwi-special, but now I feel like sometimes kumele ezinye izinto ndike ndiziyeke for elinye ixesha, because ngoku ndandisandothenga i-hot comb nge-800 ngoNovember ekuqaleni, towards i-Black Friday nange-Black Friday yayisithi $4.99. So niyayibona uba ndaluza. Okay, I'm rambling. So yeah guys, now I'm waiting for my husband. Sizoplan uba what are we doing for i-birthday yakhe. Are we going out or what? And sana, if we are going out, we will have to go out with abantwana. And the only restaurant in Konban ba comfortable kuyo xa nabantwana si-Spare guys. Kuse-Spare. But I really don't mind going to Spare now, because Spare is my favorite restaurant. So yeah, sizobona kusasa guys. Okay, sizobona umyeni wam xa ebuya. Sizodecide guys, anibilanga kuyatshisa. Oh! Good morning guys, good morning. I hope you guys are good. Today is the 14th and it's my husband's birthday. He just left with the kids. He's going to work and he's dropping off the kids at school. So now, oh guys, we woke up without electricity. I need to bath right now and go do my nails, Jongan, and go do my nails. Then hey, I don't even know what to wear, but I'm thinking of wearing the short, is it jorts? I'm not sure if they are called jorts or what, but I bought it last year at Mr. Price. Dandy fitile guys with you. So I'm thinking of wearing that, but I'm not sure on get top. So ndifuna ngoku nde eJoburg. You know, I transport abantwana le because khandixelela uba ingezi, but nayizolo khandibaxelela uba bangezi kodwa khange balantiki, khange beze. Wow. So here I'm having my my green tea. I'm having my green tea with apple cider vinegar on an empty stomach. I am intermittent fasting, so I'm going to eat after 12. So yeah, guys, Ben City, let me come here and tell you, Bana, it's my husband's birthday today. Probably we'll go to Spare, I don't know, but I think so. Spare or Panarotis. And yes, okay, will order in. And yes, guys, because Sana, I feel like I am delaying my progress because today, I don't want to say it's my cheat day because still I will intermittent fast and then eat after 12. So I'm thinking of doing OMED today, 1 meal a day, so that in the as well, whatever I consume, I use on and be out of my diet. Okay, not diet, but of my plan, because number one, andiyazi ukutya ndizokutya ubana kwenziwe ngeyiphi oil. I don't know the spices abazisebenzisayo, so that's why ndifuna ukwenza OMED. And I am craving a cake. We don't have to buy a cake because last week we had a cake kuba benzazi uba ndizawuqala no sugar, no starch, no sugar. So yeah, guys, today is Wednesday. It is the 14th. It is the 14th of January. It's my husband's birthday. I don't even know what to buy him. And the other guys, I've ran out of ideas, and money wise and manga kahle, yabo, and manga kahle. So I don't know where to, but my husband is not a difficult person. Like, we are appreciated kakhulu. Dishonoba ngathiwa guys ndimthele icup. That man, we are appreciated so much sana. He is not into birthdays and all that, but he is trying because we are born back. That is what I love to celebrate. So yeah, guys. Mandizame ndibeke amanzi egesini. Dihlambe. Yenzo ayinaphi. Kanzo ngoba ilokho engaayinayo. Ndifake i-cap. I'll fix my hair when I'm back. Yeah, I'll fix my hair when I'm back. I don't even have a moisturizer. Yenwele. And now, you guys. So I have to buy that as well. So yeah, guys, let me stop rambling. Dibe busy. Oh yeah. Angisho bengifuna kule ya powder pink. Ngicela ungichekelele ukuthi engifakile ukuthi abanayo na. Guys, look at this dress, but I don't have a size. Can you Mandase, I am back from doing my nails. I couldn't vlog you guys payana because Kapitizela and the honjas are such a big. I did my nails and then I did my toes as well. I got myself a dress, but I don't think we are still going out. Guys, I am tired. To be honest, I am tired, and it's Wednesday, and we are late in 7. So I don't think it's gonna be possible for us to go. Let me not force things, guys. Let's rather wait for a weekend. See, I'm being a weekend because Sana did it. So right now I want to take a nap. Actually, I need to take a nap in order for me to think kahle yabo ndizokwazi nokwenza izinto, because I am tired, guys. I slept late izolo and then I woke up this morning and ndingekoneli kulala yabo. I prepared the kids for school, and then after that ndahamba ndaya eJoburg. So now let me take a nap, and then after, when I wake up, ndizovuka ndipheke. Haven't eaten anything today. The time you want to talk. Oh, licango, guys. The time is, I'm sure maybe it's 25 to 4. And guys, I don't even know what to eat. I think let me take a nap and then I'll eat. Yeah, let me do that. Oh, let me show you what I got at Joburg here. Oh, because and clean today isn't. So I bought bananas, guys. Wow. as a 20 rand, Z10 for 20 rand. So I think it's cheap. I don't know, but I think it's cheap. And then this was 15 rand. Niyazazi guys robot papers bazidura kanjani. This was 15 rand. And then this was 5 rand. And onions. Then I bought a pumpkin. The 10 rand. And then that's why guys. But it's the same dress. A fitting room payana a small street. It's the same dress but a different color. Actually, the color benhlendifuna but kuba benqonde okay mandithathele phambi kwam ndiyolinganisa so that ndizobona ubana ndifuna eyiphi na isize kule color ndiyifunayo. Even that blue, is it powder blue? Ibintle bendiyithanda nayo but nditsalwe isikakhulu ngudusty pink or powder pink lo, I don't know, but nguye obenditsalile. And then ndalinganisa ayandilingana ke leyana but ndiye ndaphinda ndayifumana ke kwenye ishop, so ndiyithengile guys laa dress beniyibona phaya. And then I also bought, so I don't have to buy ndiyikhuphe niyibone because beseniyibonile. Ndathenga strip lashes. This was 15 rand. And then I bought this for inwele zam. Ndathenga this glue for strip lashes. And then ndathenga lamacici, and I think I need to go back to that shop guys because kukho amacici amaninzi amahle phayana waseShein endiqhele wabona eShein. So this was on my Shein card, but ndithe xa ndiwabona phayana ndiqonda, you know what, let me take them. But xa ndinxibele lokhwe ndiwanxibe. Bendiplan unxiba this dress today xa siya out, but guys ndinqwenwe spend na. Okay, to be honest, I'm not winning the Bawelius Bay because I am craving a buffalo wings, but because we always go to Spur every time. So I want to try out a different restaurant that is child or kids friendly. So let me Google that, and then Suzophuma weekend. We are no longer going out today. Yeah. Sana, we are back in hospital, but I'll tell you everything when I get home. But yo, guys, hi. So today it is the 15th. Yeah. Yesterday Kaze siphume for my hubby's birthday. So what happened is that when umntana ebuya esikolweni uZiyana, she came back edumbile, like this part, it was swollen. We assumed maybe she fell or something, and xa simbuza, I don't know, nokuthiwe athi uwile okanye ntoni, because uthe xa ebuya ngetransport bekukho utitsha wakhe phaya. So I asked her ubana what happened, and ingathi ngumntu lo ebengazi ngakhange amqaphele nomqaphelo uyabo. And the guys, I was so mad because njani uba umntana alimale esikolweni, right? And then nina as teachers ningamboni nangoku ngoku sekeyongena etransporting yabo. I was so mad and disappointed, but it turned out ubana she didn't fail. I think maybe ukhona loo nto ibimtyile yabo, because ebengena scratch or anything, but a tiny hole encinci ebonakalisa bakhona into emtyileyo. I thought maybe utyiwe zii-bees or maybe wasp, I don't know, but ndiya-assume nje nam yabo. And then xa ivuka ekuseni, the whole eye belivalekile yabo, and then we panicked. So what? And then we panicked. Samsa kwa doctor, and then xa simsa kwa doctor, it was nothing major wethu. I think thina siphenike as abazali yabo. So but baye basprescribela ke izinto, and then sahamba saya e-Dischem samthengela izinto, and now she's fine and back from eLanduke esikolweni. So that's the update ebendithetha ngayo ndithi ndizoni-update why ubana sisaphinda sabuyela esibhedlele bingendibanga besibhedlele besise umntana. Really guys, hi Bandase. Today is Monday, good day one of my OMED 1 million day. Done and dusted, sendityile, but the biggest mistake endiyenzileyo kutya before ndiyo exercise qha ke nditye sendinenxelekithi ngathi ndizawuwa. So yeah, one step at a time. So ngoku ndihamba ndiya egrawundini kwenye iground ekufitshane apho endihlala khona. Ndifuna just nje ujoga around, ndijikeleze ilantuka, ndijikeleze iground leyana, maybe for 1 or 2 kilometers, I don't know. Kuzawubonakala uba ndiqhube njani na, because right now ingathi ndizotyekeza. Saveli guys, arrived, but yo ndizojikeleza njani mna apha kanjani, because benifuna yeah. Guys, I am here apha ebaleni ke sana, qha kukho abafana bamephaso andizukwazi ujikeleza. Oh, andiyazi kwenza njani, but yeah guys, let me go. Nyama bendilitya ndiyaziva ndibhodla lona. Mele ndibe disciplined. I must stay away from amanqatha neskin sechicken bekhome. Molweni guys, molweni. I hope you're right guys. Weight loss journey in the Bambe Kanji. I am craving ikota right now and I am so tempted to go and buy it, but sana ndizixelela uba no, not ngoku, at least after a week, because I have my cheat days ne. Guys, please don't mind the noise. Sana kuqhetywa ingca next door, and then nomtshini apha kum endlini ndenza washing. And guys, I am so tempted to go and buy ikota sana. I haven't had ikota this year, and I gqibela last year before I went home. But mandizibambe man, because last week I had a cake for 2 days, yabo. So and being a cheat day, yabo. So mandizibambe guys. Right now I am about to do a green juice. I'm using a blender guys. I need a juicer. I know, but since last year nansisho city didinga ijuicer ndiyayidinga nyani this year, and I am planning to get it. I don't know when xa ndinemali kakuhle. So yeah guys, let's do a green juice together. For those abafuna ufunda how to do a green juice okanye bafuna ubona ingredients. So I've been making a green juice, I don't know since when, but I think it's one of the best juices okanye smoothies ndingatsho ezinceda when it comes to my skin. I've never had skin problem, ningandivi kakubi, but sana xa usebenzisa la green juice, yabo ngoku ndizoqala uyenza andikakayenzi this year, but this is me, and then maybe you'll see me after 5 days or 6 days ndizobe ndiglowa guys, like iyakuglowisa. It gives you that natural shine, not le yenziwa sunscreen le yobonayo bana okay skin esi. So iyanceda ke mna ke when it comes to weight loss, ndiyonqena uyenza ne, because I don't have eza bottles eziya ze-shots so bane uyifaka. Yo guys, let's make le green juice sizobuya sithethe guys. I think lo mntu lona ukufitshane nalapha kum, because iyangxola kakhulu ngoku. Okay, guys, these are our ingredients. Hi bo, please don't mind that benpunga. So I have a ginger, I have a celery, I have my spinach, just to give it tasty. I have a pineapple, I have green apples, and then ibe lemon, then ibe cucumber. Those are the ingredients, okay guys, endizozisebenzisa. So masenzeni.
What's up on the time? When I just try, when I drop a song, I go need to dance. They walk, I couldn't get it, to be my trance. Then I find the sound, I'm on the sound. I know get the name, I know sing the sound. Sound, Mr. Money sound. I want the precise. For my city gone, you know be run from who you are, man. Waiting go be man is cast the stone. But you below long power sandu. But why titi mo de sham you? I do below long to come yo. Kale ma shon kale she kale ma yo. Oh you alone. My mama leave me yeah you no long. Lost myself and I found my purpose. Yeah every day I know that I am blessed tonight because you love me. Yeah they can do me. Now say man no face, vibe today. These kind of things in our life.
Good morning, guys. Good morning, Sana. And sitting there, tata a walk or a mini run, a jog. But Sana, I feel like she's ngoku. And I know if Andienzanga lendo ngoku and who's open and been a chance. I think the time now is 9 o'clock and it's late. It's late, guys. So andiyazi wama ndithini ndoyika noyojoga ndedwa. If you've been here you'll know ubana ndakhe ndaphantsi ndakhe ndaleqwa imoto so ndiyoyika ngokuhamba ndedwa. But let me try, guys. Ndiyahamba for a jog or a walk. Mhlawumbi andizojika kude. Yeah, at least nje just ukubilanyana kancinci because ejimini andikakabuyeli. I think ejimini ndizobuyela ngoFebruary. I'm just trying to eat clean and exercise. Ndithi ndibuyele ejimini at least ndibe sendiqhelile. Right now I am having my green tea. When I'm done ndiyongena endleleni. Ndiyaya ke ndinibonisa OTD. Let me show you noba kuthi Sana andikakaklini kusesekuseni. Yabo, this is what I'm wearing. So let me go. I am back. Oh, guys, I did 3.10. Yeah, I think 3.10 kilometers, and I'm so tired. Let me make myself a coffee so that ndizokwazi faster longer because inenza uba ndingabi na appetite, and then take a bath. Yeah. Guys, I love these nails so much. Bye-bye. Osana. Moreni guys, Moreni. Happy Friday. Today is Friday. I am off to the mall. Dear, a carnival. Alone. There's a bolt just now. Actually, let me bolt busy so that when I'm done talking to you, your app yam, your phone and the So guys, today is Friday. I hope you're right, guys, and I hope you are still enjoying the vlog. I woke up this morning. I went to jog after banana bimkile, and then I came back. Dahlamba. Now the time is 5:01. I am off to the mall. Khona nje izinto endizifunayo. And azange celebrate, guys, a birthday yomyeni wam. So our plan tomorrow, sorry guys, our plan tomorrow kukubana sihambe, but I'm just looking for a place now esingaya kuyo, a restaurant esingaya kuyo. Guys, ndiyazonqenela mna sana. Ndiyonqena noyaphi, ndiyonqena nohamba. Even now ndiyonqena ukuya e-mall, but I need to go. I'm looking for those bottles ezizofaka e-shots, like your green juice, your ginger shots. Yeah, and then I need to stock up some groceries. I need to add the groceries up endlini because I'm running out of veg, man. I'm running out of veg. So yeah, guys, that's what's happening. Let me request siyambeni songeni siyeni e-mall. Niyazi le lokho endiyinxibileyo, so I don't have to do outfit check or OOTD uba ndinibonise ubana ndinxibe ntoni. So yeah, guys, masambeni. Today is Saturday. This is the Albertine. Now I'm off to a back home. njengoba nayizolo bendikhayela upephumu. I'm looking for eza shorts eziya eza empty bottles ezizifaka i-ginger shots, your green juice and all that. Sala kwenye ijeni enzima kakubi, so nje I need ubana ndibe nezinto zami sezi-ready. Like I need to prepare my things, green juice yami ihlale ready, ginger shots zonke wethu ezi-shots ezo, so that I don't have to ubana ndizenze every day xa ndifuna ukuzisebenzisa. Ndiyazi ubana zihlala zikhona. And I'm also looking for izikhafutina ezizincinci ze-meal prep, niyazibona eziya. But I'm not sure if I am not setting up myself for a failure, because andikwahlala nokutya okuvuthiweyo mna efrijini ekubeni ndiku-1 meal a day. So I feel like ndizavele ndilanjiswe le nto ndiyazi uba ukutya. I think mandiziyeke izikhaftini khangele ezi zinto ze-shorts ezi, because zizawundenza ubana mandilambe zona, yabo. Yeah, I think kanjalo. So yeah guys, lapha eAlbertine ngoku sisuka eNew Market, but now singena apha eAlbertine City. Just wanna check upephumu wabo bana ntoni na. Morning guys, morning. I hope you're right. I am rushing kesana. Siyazikhupha nomyeni. I-OOTD ndinibonisa or ndingandibonisi? Hayi, nizayibona phambili. But yeah guys, there's a restaurant in Eastgate eSandovula that I want us to try. Kule ndawo, I think being Mozambique or something. So siya apho ke nomyeni wami. So mesambeni guys, I am taking you guys with us. Yeah. Morning guys, morning kumnyama. Ay, khanyisa, khanyisa, khanyisa. Jojo ndibona. Ay bo, Jojo. Family. Guys, we are at Eastgate Mall. We just arrived. We just arrived. This is Eastgate Mall. But before anything else, Checkers, guys. It's saying don't birth month or birthday month, whatever you guys call it. I am craving for cake. Clear weekend, you cheat weekend. I eat whatever I want. So yeah, guys, let's go to Checkers before, because into endiyonqenayo kukuba kuvulwe. Sorry, kukuba kuvalwe Checkers sibe mhlambi sese-restaurant, yabo. So yeah guys, let's go to Checkers and get some not few things, a cake and a Coke and what else? Yeah, something. But it's banja.
Send you to me. I'm just hoping I don't beat history. Boy, I'm trying to reach on Sunday. The nigga love on Monday. Don't need no one else, babe. 'Cause I'll be searching in positions for you.
I just want to I'll put it on the trend of too. Yeah, so it is that. You like this, you put it on finishes your age. You not more finishes your age. Oh, yes, but it's going to take you. Where's that father salad? Where's that salad? You're on my body. Is a funky like this one, and then this is the sound. It's roughly. Then we put edge to picture and then
what's up on the time? When I just try, When I drop the song, I go need to dance. What I could get it, give me my trance. When I find the sound, I want what the sound. I know get the name, I know sing the sound. Sound, Mr. Money sound. I want the precise.
Magdalena.